Working of gel filtration column chromatography. As the sample move down to the column under the force of gravity, when we apply the mobile phase, nothing but buffer, so the large molecular weight protein move fast and the small molecular weight protein go inside the pores of the gel beads. So here we are going to study what is the volume of mobile phase accessible to both large molecular weight protein as well as small molecular weight protein. So as mentioned in the diagram, V0 is the volume of mobile phase outside the gel. Vi is the volume of mobile phase present inside the gel. The gel matrix or whatever the gel beads, these are nothing but stationary phase, and buffer is nothing but mobile phase. So volume of mobile phase accessible to large molecular weight protein sample is V0. Volume of mobile phase accessible to small molecular weight protein sample is V0 as well as Vi. Why the V0 and Vi both taken into consideration? Because the volume of mobile phase experienced by the small molecular protein when mobile phase enter inside the gel pores, the small molecular weight protein initially present inside the gel bead pores, but the large molecular weight protein they are present in between the gel particles. So the volume of mobile phase accessible to large molecular weight protein is initially Vi, but after removal of the large molecular weight protein, the small molecular weight protein which are present inside the gel beads, they first experience the volume of mobile phase present inside the gel bead, and after some time when they come out from the gel bead pores, the volume of mobile phase accessible to the small molecular weight protein is V0 also. So both V0 and Vi taken into consideration for the volume of mobile phase accessible to small molecular weight protein. The value Kd is nothing but partition coefficient or distribution coefficient, which represent the fraction of the liquid within the gel particle accessible to the given sample, or it is the fraction of the liquid or mobile phase accessible to the sample which is to be separated by this gel filtration chromatography. So it also depends on the molecular weight of the sample. Distribution coefficient or partition coefficient is nothing but concentration of that sample in two different phases, concentration of sample in mobile phase as well as concentration of sample in stationary phase. The volume of mobile phase which is required for elution of the two different sample present in the mixture is V is the total elution volume. V is equal to V0 plus Kd into Vi. To calculate the value of Kd, distribution coefficient or partition coefficient, the equation becomes V minus V0 divided by Vi. For large molecular weight protein, as they are present in between the gel particles, they are present in between the gel beads, the volume accessible to large molecular weight protein sample is V0, which is nothing but volume of mobile phase present outside the gel. So in this case, V is equal to V0. By putting the value of V in the equation, the Kd equation becomes V minus V0 upon Vi is equal to V0 minus V0 upon Vi. The answer is 0 upon Vi. The Kd value is 0. So the Kd value 0 is for large molecular weight protein, because large molecular weight protein, the volume accessible to them or volume experienced by that large molecular weight protein is equal to the V0. It is the volume present outside the gel. It is the volume of the mobile phase present outside the gel. Now in case of small molecular weight protein, the volume of the mobile phase accessible to small molecular weight protein is V as well as is V0 as well as Vi, because for first time they experience the volume of mobile phase present inside the gel bead pores, and once after some time they protruded out from the gel bead pores, the volume accessible to them is V0. So both V0 plus Vi is taken into consideration as the value of V in case of small molecular protein. So V is equal to V0 plus Vi. So by putting the value of V in the Kd, the equation becomes V0 plus Vi minus V0 divided by Vi. V0 V0 get cancelled. Vi upon Vi, the correct answer is 1. So the Kd value is 1 for small molecular weight protein. So in this topic, the working of gel filtration column chromatography, or how the mobile phase experienced by that small molecular weight protein as well as large molecular weight protein is taken into consideration. For large molecular weight protein, it is very easy because they are present outside the gel beads. So volume of the mobile phase present along with the small molecular weight protein is near to the VE. So VE is equal to V0. V0 is the volume of mobile phase present outside the gel is taken into consideration. In case of small molecular weight protein, the volume of the mobile phase accessible to them is initially Vi, then further V0. So both outside the gel and inside the gel buffer or mobile phase composition is taken into consideration for calculation of the value VE for the small molecular weight protein. So the value of Kd is lies between 0 to 1 for large molecular weight, 0 for small molecular weight, 1 for those proteins having molecular weight in between the large and small. So the Kd value in between 0 to 1.